Hi, I'm Chef Stephanie Izard in Chicago, and you're in my home kitchen. Here are my do's and don'ts for braising chicken in my maiden wok with This Little Goat Went to India. Braising is when you cook low and slow in liquid. It helps bring all the flavors together from the meat and the vegetables that you're braising, as well as everything that you put into the sauce. This method is great for chicken, especially chicken thighs, because they can actually cook for a little while without getting dried out or losing any moisture. So they soak up all the flavors in the sauce while you're cooking it low and slow, and they also put flavor into the sauce. It works really great. A lot of people would think that you cannot braise in a wok and think that it's just for stir frying, but because of the shape of the wok, you can actually do a quick braise in it. So something up to like 30, maybe 45 minutes turned on low. You can start off your vegetables and your proteins in the wok, add in all of your sauce ingredients, turn it down, and then do your braising. So it becomes a one wok wonder, I guess, to keep all the flavors in, cook nice and low and slow, and really come up with a great sauce. For braising in the wok, you want to start off at high heat, let it come up to a boil, and then turn it down really low right away. You don't want to let it boil for too long. With this dish, I think it's whatever you're in the mood for. You could serve it alongside with some bread to slap it up with, put it over rice, put some fresh herbs and radishes on top. Kind of let it be whatever you're looking for, but really can freshen it up and make it fun. As with all recipes, do be creative and add your own finishing touches to it. Something nice and refreshing on top, and I love a little bread on the side to slap it up.
How is it?
It's delicious. It's so good.